Another box arrived in the post. I have got some DigitalOcean stickers on it just to cover up my address, but actually, I think this box might be from GitHub. Shall we take a look? Got my trusty scissors, cut my hair. Let's have a look. What do you think it is? And also, funny enough, today I received another email saying I've got another package arriving from UPS in the next week or two. So I wonder what that could be as well. Just so much swag. I mean, it's great. It's like Christmas every week. Or my birthday. It's like my birthday every week, I guess. Oh, sorry, Sammy. I need to cut across that sticker. I didn't think about that. Ah, cut across that sticker. Destroying swag to get swag. Let's have a look. What have we got? You know, you can't see much of what it is yet. It kind of weighs like 1.5 kilos. What it is? Oh, it's a box within a box. Let's have a look. Box. Look, can you see it? Box within a box. Oh, that's a bit heavier than I thought. Being a smaller box, expected it to be lighter. What else have we got? Let's have a look. Oh, we got a note, a secret message. Can I get the secret message out? Nova 2020. Thank you again once for your passion, your love for sharing your knowledge, your support for open source communities and the amazing things you have done, the exciting things to follow. Enjoy your $$ coupon voucher at the GitHub shop. Well, I'm not going to show that because that's for me. Maybe I could give it away on my channel. We'll see. But I'll put that secretly over there. Let's have a good look what we've got. Dun, 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 dun. A lot of foam. Oh, check out this. Do you want to see? Oh, whoa. And if you check that out, look what it says. Stars Eddie Jowd Star of the Year 2020.
All right, and the winner of Star of the Year.
Come on, come on. Eddie, come on. Yes! Thank you so much, GitHub. That is epic. I have got my name on it, which is just awesome. So GitHub, thank you so much. A very unique unboxing. Remember, if you want to get into open source, just get started. You don't have to wait for an invite. You don't have to wait for the perfect project. Just get involved in the conversation, and from that you'll find out how you can contribute, how you can add value, and you'll discover projects after projects, and then it will snowball. So I highly recommend getting involved in the conversation. You can join our community, Eddie Hub. We're a super inclusive community, helping you get your green squares, because that's how it starts. And then later on, once you're getting green squares regularly, you realize it's not about the green squares, but about the adding value and the collaboration. And that's why in our community, we say collaboration first and code second. I mean, if you think about it, you create an issue first, and that's how the conversation starts. You have a conversation about the changes you want to make. So we're still talking about collaboration at the moment. Then you make your changes and you raise the pull requests. You do a bit of coding in the middle, or documentation, or automated test. You get the idea. And then what do you do afterwards with your pull request? It then gets reviewed and you then discuss it with the community. So again, it goes back to collaboration. So it's collaboration, coding, collaboration. And so you can see collaboration is the bigger part of open source. That's why open source is for everybody. You don't have to be a developer to get into coding. Now documentation is open source. Automated tests, code that you are very familiar with, but also recipes, legal documents, so many things. If you have any questions, we have a Discord channel where we chat between live streams and YouTube videos. You can come and chat to our awesome community there. Oh, it's good foam. Whew. Looks good, don't smell good. Leave it over there.